on? Hello, Pee-Pee. Pee-Pee, choose a dish, please. I wonder what two dishes Pee-Pee will choose. Wow! Pee-Pee has 2 plates of Oreo cookies. That's so nice. Oh my gosh! Pee-Pee is eating too many cookies at once. He's turning into an Oreo. John! Pee-Pee hasn't finished eating the Oreo yet. John brings Pee-Pee 2 blue and pink popsicles. Pee-Pee loves them. It's not okay. Pee-Pee is about to freeze now. Wow! This time, Pee-Pee receives a giant popsicle. Awesome! Where are the Pee-Pee brothers going? Look! Those are giant candy boxes. Baby, sit here nicely. Pee-Pee is filling the truck with candy. Oh no! Baby drove the truck away. What should Pee-Pee do? Hit a rock and the candy spilled out. Pee-Pee sped up and caught up with the truck. Phew! Pee-Pee managed to get Baby back. Pee-Pee is exhausted. The 2 siblings Pee-Pee were playing with Lego blocks together. They looked very happy. Oh no! Where has Pee-Pee's little brother gone? The police officer quickly came to help Pee-Pee find his brother. Pee-Pee just trusts the police. First, they'll post missing flyers everywhere, and then they'll split up in different directions to search for the little brother. Pee-Pee is trying to search diligently, not leaving any corner unchecked. Look! There's something inside this can! Turns out it was the police officer. Pee-Pee was mistaken. The policeman discovered someone's legs. both trying hard to find it, but they're really clumsy. What's over there? Look! It's Pee-Pee's little brother! How joyful! Pee-Pee's little brother has returned.
Wow! Pee-Pee has so many colorful jelly candies! Oh no! John is coming! He has to hide the candy. The candy is all hidden under Pee-Pee's secret room. Pee-Pee successfully hid from John. He's feeling pretty smug. Now Pee-Pee can enjoy his candy in peace. Pee-Pee is eating candy with Coke? That's something new. Pee-Pee will try eating candy with other spices. He's mixed the candy with all the spices and Coke. Pee-Pee is putting the candy in the oven to heat it up. Oh no! Wow! The Pee-Pee brothers have so much soda jelly! Let's enjoy this delicious jelly together! This orange jelly is so tasty! Baby Pee-Pee loves it! Ew! Oh no! Pee-Pee ate all the jelly! He's so greedy! Pee-Pee didn't leave any jelly for his little brother, and now the baby is crying! Look! Pee-Pee is making jelly for his little brother! Pee-Pee looks so silly! Oh! This red jelly is delicious! Baby wants to try the blue jelly too! No! This jelly is too big! Hey, boss! Pee-Pee is here! So Pee-Pee missed the school bus. Pee-Pee quickly urged Red to drive quickly because he was late. I have to lower the air conditioner temperature. Pee-Pee is too hot. bus was so hot that Pee-Pee melted. Red turned into a fan to cool Pee-Pee down, but Pee-Pee doesn't need it. It's so frustrating! This bus is so comfortable! Pee-Pee loves it! It's not okay. The temperature is getting lower and lower. Pee-Pee is about to freeze. Moving to another bus, Yellow serves Pee-Pee very attentively. Oh no! How does Yellow drive? Pee-Pee is about to fall out. Pee-Pee will never take these 3 school buses again. Pee-Pee is watching a video on how to make a DIY bus. Let's get to work right away. The cardboard box fell, causing soda cans to scatter everywhere. First, Pee-Pee will crush these soda cans. Then he cuts the cans into separate pieces. Now, just assemble the pieces together and it's done! Still need to add the wheels! Ta-da! It's done! Pee-Pee can't see Boom anywhere, so we have to go find him. Why can't this door be opened? Oh, so Pee-Pee must win this game to open the door. Success! Oh no, there's a giant hand! So scary! Thought Pee-Pee had outsmarted the giant hand, but he fell into a trap. Boom, don't worry! Pee-Pee is here! crocodile is guarding the door. How can the two brothers get through now? Oh no! Boom woke up the crocodile! Run quickly! The two brothers finally escaped! Boom, don't go out alone anymore. Who dropped the big ice cream on the floor? So it's Big Ear. He quickly ate his entire ice cream stick. Pee-Pee can't take it anymore. He's going to bring Big Ear back. Let's go! Pee-Pee deliberately uses an eraser to block Pee-Pee's path. Big Ear is sleeping soundly. Pee-Pee deliberately transforms into an ice cream to lure Big Ear. Oh no! Big Ear is so naughty. Stop now! Pee-Pee finally got the ice cream. Thief Ray is sneaking into Pee-Pee's farm. This watermelon is too big for Ray to pick. Pee-Pee couldn't help but laugh at Ray's silliness. Watch how Pee-Pee harvests the watermelon, Ray! And now the watermelon is in the trunk. Ray managed to steal the watermelon.
Oh no!
Pee-Pee has to go catch Thief Ray! Haha, Ray fell into Pee-Pee's trap.
Pee-Pee feels so hot. Invite Pee-Pee into the ice room. Great! This bathroom is so cold. feels very comfortable. The cool blue water makes Pee-Pee want to jump in and take a bath right away. Uh-oh. The water is too cold and Pee-Pee is freezing. The ice layer is too thick and Pee-Pee can't get out of the bathtub. John, wait there! Hope the fire room will quickly melt the ice. Finally, Pee-Pee can get out now. It's too hot! Pee-Pee has to leave this room. Pee-Pee and Red are not willing to share candies with each other. Stop it! Both are trying their best, but they can't open the door. Oh, there's a key over there. Pee-Pee can't reach the key. They must support each other. Got it! Both of them are trying to find the right puzzle piece to open that door. Red, give Pee-Pee a hand. Let's go. Red, be careful! Oh no! Pee-Pee and Big Ear are playing hide and seek. Which room will Big Ear hide in? He chooses the Captain America room. Pee-Pee can't find Big Ear anywhere. Hello? Where are you, Big Ear? Big Ear sneaked outside, and Pee-Pee still has no clue. Found you! In the second round, Big Ear decides to hide in the Spider-Man room. Oh! Pee-Pee sees giant ears behind the sofa. Oh no! Where did Big Ear go? It's confusing. Oh no!
John is controlling an army of four-colored crocodile dentists towards Pee-Pee. When Pee-Pee wakes up, he is extremely scared. He has to jump high to avoid the crocodile dentist army. At this moment, John commanded the crocodile army to turn back. John fills the crocodile's mouths with M&M candies, then directs them towards Pee-Pee. Immediately, Pee-Pee is awakened by the scent of M&M candies. Pee-Pee goes to the yellow crocodile to get the candy, but at that moment, John directs the crocodile to close its mouth. Pee-Pee comes up with a way to get the M&M candies. He turns into a round ball and rolls next to the crocodiles. Pee-Pee is enjoying the delicious M&M candies when John returns. John realized it's Pee-Pee and is extremely angry. Oh no! Pee-Pee is surrounded by crocodiles. It won't be easy to escape, Pee-Pee. Run fast, Pee-Pee.